I have Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 and let me show you how to insert here nano SIM cards and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's just simply use some paper pin or for example special eject tool to open this slot. Here I have paper pin. Let's just press it into this hole. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Alright. And here you can insert micro SD and 2 nano SIM cards. So let me do it. Let's start with the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright. Now let's insert the first nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. And let's use the second nano SIM card. Alright. So this is the properly prepared slot. If you are ready, you can use the whole tray and push it to your device. Make sure that you've got correctly inserted cards, and let's just insert the whole thing right here and press it to the end. Alright, now you can just press power key to switch on the device. The phone is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. Let me just make sure that I can use all cards on my phone. Alright, so now let's unlock the device. Here let's find and select the settings. As you can see, SIM card manager pops up, and here you can use both SIM cards, so it's a good sign. You can also find this in settings. Let's just find settings. Here from settings you can choose connections, and here you can choose SIM card manager. So here you can also read information about your SIM card. And now let's go back, and here let me also find and select the information about my storage. So let me choose device maintains, tap storage, and as you can see, the device right here is reading the SD card, so it means that everything is performed well. You can use both cards of your SIM card, and you can use the memory card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.